Welcome everybody, I am Ganesh Narvade and today we will be discussing about the rumors relating to September 2021 examinations for CMA. First things that I empathize with you, I understand your concerns because many of the students who are doing CMA are employees and they have to apply for leave for examinations. Many of the students are writing graduation, doing graduation, so degree exams are there. They have to plan degree plus CMA both. So really, if there is a lot of uncertainty relating to CMA exams, it would be difficult for them to manage. So I can understand. So I have written a letter to the institute stating to give a clear roadmap for the next 6 to 8 months. I wrote a letter, sent a post to the Kolkata headquarters, Delhi headquarters. I have even mailed them, but as of now did not get any reply from the institute. So given the letter in the description, please share with everybody possible so that we get a proper roadmap for the next 6 to 8 months. It's not just declaring the exam dates because it would not serve the purpose totally. So let's try, let's put effort and hope for the best. Now coming to September exams, they say it would be online. Official spokesperson said, unofficially YouTube, so many news, September the exams would be. Let's assume that if the exams are in the month of September, by 10th the exams are completed, then what will happen? Obviously, because the online exams are there, technical glitches would be there, power cuts may be there, suddenly centers may be cancelled, so many issues would be there, because of which, maybe because of students suffering from COVID, don't know, but second set of exams is a must. Last time experience, 3 sets of exams were conducted by CMA Institute, so hoping that, expecting that, not hoping, expecting that this time it would be minimum 2 sets is not unfair, right? So second set of exams would be September last week, results will come by October last week, that is what I expect. So if the results come by October end, then students have to apply for revaluation, those who have suffered. There are many people who suffer. One of my students is there, she is suffering a lot. Hey, you introduce a new system, it's not wrong. Change is inevitable. But when you introduce a new system, you should also have a grievance policy. How will you resolve the issues, new problems what the students face? If you did not have a grievance policy before, at least you can make time to time based on the challenges faced. But institute is inactive in all such matters. That is what my observation is, to be blunt and factful, right? Now, if October last week the exams results come, students apply for revaluation, their results should come, then December exams should be conducted. Now, within next 2 months, how will the student be able to prepare for the balance group? Within next 2 months, do you expect the student to complete that practical training, computer training, that soft skills training, or if some students require articleship to be done for 6 months, do you expect them to do that? So what? I want clarity for my students. Hey, it's not the institute itself. Institute is because of the students. Students are equally the stakeholders in the institute. Because of their funds only institute is surviving, and institute should be accountable with heart and spirit and in action towards the students. That's what my appeal to the institute, and I want the students to cooperate with me in making this appeal. Make it strong by sharing the letter given in the description. Let us make our voice loud and clear so that everybody understands and hopefully reacts to. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.